problem.
Might have a problem?
Brake pedal's kind of low.
Uh-oh.
I'm going to check the brake fluid.
Original interior. A little worn where your butt sits, but not bad. Take a look at that dashboard. Jeez.
This is how you check the brake fluid on this stuff.
What? Oh, you're just tightening those?
No, I gotta check the brake fluid.
What? That's where you check the brake fluid?
Yeah. You think I'm kidding?
Yeah, I thought you were yanking me there,
No,
dude.
it is.
Oh my God. I would have never known that.
Well, my other one, it's not quite buried that far. I should have done this the other day.
Oh my goodness, that's where it is, right down there. Yeah, a little wear and tear. I think some arms may have rested on that for a while at some time.
Yeah, usually they warn you.
So checking the brake fluid here.
If I get it apart.
Runs pretty sweet. Brake pedal was low. Get a load of this dashboard.
They never get me lunch.
No.